Siamo partiti con i 200 farfalla raga assolute e 3 serie in programma. Ricordiamo che entro queste 3 serie dei 200 farfalla devono essere assolutamente date eventuali modifiche alle composizioni di staffetta, quindi una volta terminati i 200 farfalla donne non è più possibile fare alcuna modifica alle formazioni di staffetta di questo pomeriggio. 4x50 stile donne, 4x50 stile maschile, mista maschile. Angelica Zanchini in 2, Edda Santello in 3, Paola Marini in 4, Alice Volpato in 5, Benedetta Manenti in corsia 6 in acqua. Mentre per la prossima batteria serie si preparano Lucrezia Tosin in 2, Ilaria De Negri in 3, Aurora Munaro in 4, Giada Sartoretto in 5, Mara Menegaldo in corsia 6.
Girls, I hear you've been running from the beautiful queen that you can be becoming. You can look in my palm and see the storm coming. Read the book of my life and see I've overcome it. Just because the length of your hair ain't long, and they often criticize you for your skin tone. Gonna hold your head high cause you a pretty woman. Get your runway stride on and keep it going. Girl, live your life. I just wanna be myself. Yeah, don't sweat, girl, be yourself. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Girl, be yourself. That's why I be myself. Let them get mad, they gon' hate anyway, don't you get that? Doesn't matter if you're going along with their plan. They'll never be happy cause they're not happy with themselves. I'm talking about things that I know. It's okay, show yourself some love. Don't worry about who's seeing what. Because the lights on me, celebrating the things that everyone told me would never happen, but God has put his hands on me, and ain't a man alive could ever take it from me. Working with what I gotta keep on taking care of myself, I wanna live long. Ain't never ashamed what life did to me. Wasn't afraid to change cause it was good for me. I just wanna be myself. I just wanna be. Don't sweat, girl, be yourself. Don't sweat, girl. Follow me, follow me. That's why I be myself. Let them get mad, they gon' hate anyway, don't you get that? Doesn't matter if you're going all of their plan. They'll never be happy cause they're not happy with themselves. I'm talking about things that I know. It's okay, show yourself.
Allora abbiamo i risultati di questa serie, prima classificata in corsia 5 Volpato, dopo secondo posto Marin, terzo Manenti.